Now we will see mining in India. The Chota Nagpur Plateau in India is a big storehouse of different minerals. Mining is the main occupation of people there. Coal is mined in Korba in Chhattisgarh and in eastern Maharashtra. Mineral oil wells are found in Digboy in Assam, Mumbai High in Arabian Sea in Maharashtra. Children, you are supposed to underline all these important places of mining in India, in the eastern as well as in western. So, Mumbai High in Arabian Sea near Maharashtra, Kalol and Koyali in Gujarat, reserves of mineral oils and natural gas have been discovered at the mouth of river Godavari. Stones like marble are found in Rajasthan and Kadapa in Andhra Pradesh. So this is the mining in India which is done. Specially, mining is the main occupation in the Chota Nagpur plateau and in Chhattisgarh. Children, already we know that where the concentration of mineral is there. Why Tata Iron Steel was established in Jharkhand, Jamshedpur? Because that place was having concentration of coal. Understood? So mining is done specially the place where the concentration of minerals is there, and the associated industries are also set up there, and as a result we know that generation of employment is there. So these are the places where mining is done in India, especially coal in Korba and Chhattisgarh. In Maharashtra also it is done. Eastern Maharashtra already we know that about Chandrapur, Wardha. Mineral oil wells are found in Digboy and Assam. Assam is known for its petroleum, mineral oil. Mumbai High in Arabian Sea, already we know. We have already studied about Bombay High. Sagar Samrat, the drilling ship of our country, which is used for drilling mineral oil from sea. Kalol and Koyali in Gujarat, reserves of mineral oil and natural gas in found mouth of river Godavari. So these are the important places of mining in India. Next we will see industries in Brazil. Major industries include iron and steel production, automobile assembly. So you are supposed to underline all these major industries. Petroleum processing, chemical production and cement making, technology-based industries have been most dynamic in recent years, but have not outpaced traditional industries. Similarly, food processing like sugar industry, cotton, textile, silk and woolen industries have developed well. Most large industries concentrated in the south and southeast. The northeast is traditionally the poorest part of Brazil, but it is the beginning to attract new investment. Understood? So this is the condition of Brazil, industry in Brazil. So the major industry include iron steel production, automobile in the assembly. So these are the industries which is based or which is established in Brazil. See, already we know that mining is the major occupation in Brazil. Compared to India, agriculture is the main occupation. But Brazil, mining is major occupation. And all these industries are well established in Brazil in recent years. Understood? But however, food processing like sugar industry, cotton, textile, silk and woolen industry is also developed. So this is also developed. We know that cocoa production, sugar cane is also produced there. So cocoa, so many industries are developed for processing of these cocoa seeds. So this is another developed industry in Brazil. Understood? So mainly industries are concentrated in south and southeast, that is near Sao Paulo. So already we know that much population is concentrated in southern part of Brazil. So because generation of employment from these industries, so mainly industries are set up in southern part of Brazil. So this is about industry in Brazil. So you are supposed to underline all these important industries of Brazil, important mining area of India, important fishing area of our country, and important agriculture cash crops of our country. Understood?